Hello, today we are going to talk to you about a very exciting animal, cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cows have been one of humans' best friends for thousands of years. They provide many useful things such as milk, meat, and leather. Cows are among the most commonly raised animals on farms and in villages. They also produce natural fertilizer for fields, making them a great helper in agriculture. In many parts of the world, cows are raised for different purposes, but they have a very special place in India. Cows are herbivorous animals that chew cud. Their stomachs have 4 compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Thanks to this unique digestive system, cows can easily digest tough grass. They spend most of their day grazing and chewing cud. A cow can eat about 30 to 50 kilograms of grass and drink 50 to 100 liters of water daily. Water is very important for milk production. Cows usually live for 15 to 20 years. They give birth to a baby, called a calf, once a year. Cows are gentle and social animals that prefer to live in herds. For cows to stay healthy and produce plenty of milk, they need a good diet. They usually eat grass, hay, and grains. Some of their favorite foods include corn, alfalfa, and barley. The places where cows live, called barns, should be clean and spacious. The most important product we get from cows is milk. Milk is very healthy for our bones and teeth because it contains calcium, protein, and vitamins. Milk is used to make many delicious products such as yogurt, cheese, butter, and ice cream. In India, cows are considered very special and sacred animals. Hindus believe that cows are holy and show them great respect. Cows are seen as mothers because they provide milk and many benefits to humans. That is why harming cows is forbidden in India, and they are allowed to roam freely in the streets. Unlike other parts of the world, in India, people only take milk from cows and do not eat their meat. It is common to see cows wandering freely in Indian streets, as they are loved and respected by everyone.